Hello from wherever you're watching us, and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Hostfully. Now, Hostfully helps you to reach more guests, reduce costs, and run an efficient or a more efficient business. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, that is hostfully.com, where you can register and use Hostfully. How do you use Hostfully? So you'll simply come to hostfully.com, and then you will, if you have an account, you click on go to my account. And if you don't, then you are simply going to click on book a free demo. And then after you click on that, book a free demo, you'll come here and click on start for free. So you'll put your details here, and then you will click on start for free. And then you can also watch these tutorials on their site about property management, which is what we are going to be doing. But they also have digital guidebooks, live property management platform, and then they also do some live guidebooks demo with Q&A. So once you log in with your email and password, it will bring you to this homepage for hostfully.com. You will have your dashboard here, where you will have your cards, your guides, book, and your examples here. And then you'll have the others. So I'm now going to be showing you step by step how you will use each one of this. So let's start with templates and secure links. For these ones, you'll have to upgrade your plan so that you can be able to use this one. And you can see their prices here. For property management platform, I just click on that. Then you can see the prices. So you notice here we have for 5 properties, your pricing is $199 per month. And down here, we of course have the starter that goes for $109. And then we have the Pro and Pro Plus, and then we have the Premium. You can access those details on their website. Since we are not upgraded, we will not go through this one. Let us go to intros. If I click on intros, you are able now to give intros to your customers. You already notice here, I have an intro about Wi-Fi, welcome home, and I'll show you how to create this one. So to create a new intro, you simply click on this plus here, add new, or you can click down here, add new host intro. So where you just introduce yourself as the host. So here you'll give the card name. Let me call this Josh Holmes. And then down here, you can create this card in any other language. You can activate the languages here. But in this case, I want my card to remain in English. So I'll leave it at that, English. Then down here, you'll give what name should guest use to address this host. So you are a host here. So I'll use the name, Mr. Josh. That is the name I would want them to use. How should guests contact you on this host? You can either put the phone number here, or you can put an email here. In this case, I'll just put my email. Then down here, if you would like to upload an image for this host, or you can use an avatar, I would advise you to use a real image, because an avatar may work, but a real image helps because it's more personalized. So you click on that, then you can attach here from a link or from your device, or you can simply drag and drop. So, but you can still click on plus, then you go to your images, and then you will add an image, maybe your face, the face for your company, the image for your company, or any other. So I'll simply, in this case, I'll just click this image for this sample for sale. Then you'll click on save. Then it will save that. Then you'll click on upload. And of course, you can crop it here if you feel it's too big, too small, there's a part you don't want, you can crop all that. Maybe I want it to be that way. Then I click on save, and then finally I click on upload. So you now notice our image has been added here. We no longer have the avatar image. So then down here, you notice we have the question, how would this host introduce themselves and your business to your guests? In this part, you don't include any secure information because guests will be able to see this. So in this case, you simply introduce yourself. So in this case, I'm going to do the introduction. Josh Holmes is a nice home, is a serene, well-created environment. Then I'm going to type all that, and then I'll not type it here, but that's where you do your introduction. Make sure it's a nice one. And if you don't know how to do that, in this channel, we have other tutorials on how to use things like ChatGPT that can help you develop such a nice introduction. So I'll leave this at that. And then down here, you can either create a landing page, which we're not going to be showing, or you can show the landing page to new visitors, if you have a website, that is. And then down here, you can add cards if you have cards, and I'll be showing you how to create those ones. And then once you are through with that, you click on Save Card. So you now notice we have our card here, Josh Holmes. Josh Holmes is, then it's written. That's how you create cards here for the intro. So for the intro, you notice we have this one. And then that's the same thing you do for these others. Maybe you want to give directions for your Hostfully. You click on directions. And then which directions do you want to give? You simply click on add new directions. And then you can put your card name here. And then maybe the card name, you'll call it our location because you want to give directions. And the same way we did the other card, you can choose the language here, then give the description here. And the good thing with here is that you can also add a link. Maybe you have a quite detailed explanation. You can add that as a link. You can also add a photo here. That's an image. And you can also add a PDF. So you can just simply do a lot here. So maybe, for instance, you can add a PDF that has a Google Pin location. So you can add that. Maybe here, you can also do it manually where you are located. You can also do it manually where you are located. You simply tell them, we are located at blah, 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 blah. Then you give them the place. And then down here, you can select the methods you'd like to include in the specific directions. So each of these items will be presented under the heading recommended approaches. So how can people get to your place? Is it through a taxi? Is it a bus? You can select more than one. So, and if they can get to you through all of them, you simply click on select all. So in this case, maybe people can get my place through Uber or through driving, and of course through a taxi. Maybe there are no buses or there are buses and all that. Then down here, you now select, you notice here we selected taxi, Uber, and driving. Down here, you now give directions for each. What directions would you give to guests traveling by taxi? So down here, you can tell them to pick maybe taxi from this place, taxi number, and all that. You type it there. So down here, because we already chose to travel by Uber, you again give them details about the Uber. Then this is the Uber number that you'll use and all that. Get maybe a ride, a free ride, or a discount. You can use the referral code here. Maybe tell them use this Uber number and then use this referral code. And you can invite them to that. So you enter your code or invite the link here to earn credit with Uber. And then the directions you give to guests who are driving themselves, again, the same way. For maybe 1 kilometer, turn right, turn left, you type it there. And then you can come down here and click on Save Card. So you now notice we have our card for directions added. So if you go to parking, you again do the same. You can add details about parking. You give the card name here. You translate there. Then select the statement that best describes your advice to guests about parking. Here, are you parking on driveway? Are you parking on the street? Are you having economical parking available? Or is parking expensive in the nearby places? So that's how you fill the parking. So I'll just quickly fill this. The card name here is parking details or parking. And then I'll select the parking, driveway parking available. It's available for my house. And then what kind of information does the guest need to know? If they are going to park a vehicle during their stay, maybe here I'll tell them parking is free or whatever the details that I need. And then which guidebooks should, if in this case I've not added cards for guidebooks, so I'll skip that and then I'll just click on Save Card. So you now notice under parking, I have the parking details. It's already free. So that's what you do with parking. Then for check-ins, you can again create cards for check-ins. And this is how the card for check-in looks like. We are not going to fill this one, but I'm going to explain. Here, you tell them the earliest guest can check in. Maybe you have time limit. Maybe a person is checking in the evening, but you don't want them to again arrive in the morning. So you tell them the earliest time guests can check in there. And then do you want a check window instead of a single time? You can give that so that you tell them between 4 and 5 maybe. and then you can select the statement that best describes your early check-in policy. Maybe you cannot accommodate checking before time, such that if a person arrives maybe 1 hour before check time, you cannot accommodate that, or occasionally we accommodate check-in at times depending on what you want, but you can also enter your own here. If you click on enter your own, then you scroll down here, you notice you now have a space to type. So if nothing describes your check-in policy here, you can enter your own here. You notice that Hostfully helps your guests to get all the details they need on their accommodation just by the click of a button. If now I click on dashboard, you now notice we have our overview here. We can click either on cards, the cards we have made, or we can look at the examples here so that we know how the cards are made. So that is a quick run through on how you can use Hostfully. I hope this has been a helpful video. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.